basics about a program. For the Automotive Technology program, we cover everything from the basic services on vehicle to everything to advanced diagnostics.
So always growing up, I've wanted to get into mechanics or get into something to do with cars, bikes, or anything. And when I heard that I was be able to take the Automotive Technology program, I decided to take advantage of it and enrolled in that class my first try of my freshman year in high school and been there ever since.
Ayden is doing well in our Automotive Technology program in the fact that he's willing to go above and beyond. The automotive industry is changing every day, and so is anything that's related, whether it's motorcycle, ATV, small engines. And because of that, you have to go above and beyond and be reading and involved with the medium, with what's coming out. And he does that all the time. He's also taken it upon himself to create his own business and to be able to saturate himself and involve himself into that industry all the time. There's no better example of how to educate yourself than to actually be involved and then take it upon yourself to create a business with that.
Well, McKee here, he always makes the class fun and enjoyable. There's a lot of classes I've had in the high school and stuff where teachers, they teach you, but they don't make you want to learn it. So McKee really pushes people and pushes us to want to learn what we're in there for. And he's always hands-on with the kids in the class and with me and with everyone saying, oh, like, this is how you do it, or shows like really well on how you're supposed to do things properly.
Keep doing what he's doing. And then not only that, but continue to reach for the stars too. He has reached so many different goals. Being a national champion gives him opportunities to be able to go wherever he wants. As he continues to down that path, he'll have more and more opportunities. My hope is that he'll just keep his eyes open and look for the next opportunity.
Much just like he said, I want to keep my eyes open and just look for the next opportunities and just work hard to go get the next step and try to get the next step from everything I do. I just want to learn as much as I can for the auto industry side, motorcycle side, no matter what it is. I just want to learn it all.
There is the power of technical education.